Okay, I'm finally being able to submit a review for this COSTWAY dryer. I have been without a dryer for 10 years, and I'm going to tell you, this compact dryer is good for small places, in apartments or areas that don't have hookup for washer dryer. It works as well as a large capacity dryer. So I would say that this dryer is well worth its money. And as you can see on top, I've also purchased the ventless adapter so that I can vent it in the room. It is living up to its purpose. Alright, I say it's well worth its money.
Okay, let's see, 30 minutes. Here, quiet. And keep it inside. Easy instructions. It's already getting warm.